Hello everyone. So there's a problem from this one, so it means no electricity because because run out from this one in these places in Minglan Hilya, Cebu. So it means we need to fix from this one in this electricity because to back up this one to this electric here. We're here from this one in this analyze of these games in Abu Dhabi Chess Festival 2025. Today is the last round, round number 9. So how many clocks within 1 hour, 13 minutes, and 30 seconds increments? So it means long game or round robin. And also have A in this Filipino from this Pinoy from this one in this between from this international master in the Philippines is Richie Leo Salcedo III. So he was a master from this chess in the Philippines. So he was a focusing concentrations and this one is brilliant thinker. And also versus by FIDE Master in India is Chai Sankar and also rotations name Sankar Chai. So in this today's last round, in this part of this video, we have analyzed of the standings after last round, round number 9. So C4 English opening by Salcedo III, C5 Chai, Knight F3, Knight C6 is called symmetrical English opening variation. So it means these are the main lines here is also Knight to F6. So Knight F6 here from this one. So Chai here moves by knight to C6 is called symmetrical English variation and also pawn D4 without counters attacks by pawns. Capture this pawn. Knight takes captured because these are the without next counters attacks by knights here and also G6 without move by dark square bishop by bishop to G7 without counters attacks here and also knight C3 and also bishop G7 without threats the knights or next captured by knights here and go back knight F3. So in idea, why don't we knight takes captured? How do you think knight takes captured C6 here and also pawn takes captured knight? With idea by light square bishop by next maneuver is bishop to b7 by counters attacks here. So it means, so why Salcedo the third is go back knight f3 without knight f3 by go backs here without, so doesn't want of this captured by knights here, so it means ignoring here and also knight f6 with idea by preparing by castling by Chai Sankar and also e4 castling by Chai and also bishop to e2 by Salcedo the third with idea by preparing by castling. So castling here from this one. So castling kingside and also d6 castling kingside by Salcedo the third and also bishop g4 without threats the knights here or counters attacks the knights here from this one and also bishop e3 without bishop pairs. So because these are the bishop pairs from this one. So decided to Salcedo to move side by bishop to e3 and also a6 by Chai without next move by pawn to b5 without counters attacks the pawns. So next maneuver here and also rook c1 and also rook c8 and also pawn b3 and queen a5. So with the idea by without targets the knights here from this one and also queen d2 without defense or develops by knights here and also bishop takes captured, pawn takes captured. So it means no more booklets by Salcedo from this recording by chess.com database. So it means these are new move. So it means novelty. So these are the old main lines by recording by this one is bishop captured bishop. So bishop captured is the old main lines here. So it means the new novelty pawn captured bishop. So it means out of this booklet. So it means, so these are the new move here from this one and also queen h5 and also king g2. Without king g2 by Salcedo and also h6 and also pawn h3. So it means for me, I thought okay by h3, so it means normal. So the problem this one, so it means that's not one of this stockfish computer. So the one's computer, so the one's computer from this best accuracy move is rook to h1. So rook h1 here, so it means, so advantage from this whites here from this one. So it means slightly better goods here. So it means h3 by Salcedo III. So it means bad move. And also queen h4. So it means without strongest by Jai here, and also knight d5. So without realize here with idea by counters attacks the knights here from this one. And also, or maybe here by without knight to f4 without check. So these are the controls here. And also g5, and also rook h1. What a good precise move by Salcedo III. So it means without controls, concentrations here, and also knight h5 without ignoring. So it means bad move. So it means that's not one of this computer. So the best moves there, this one, knight takes captured. If you see takes d5 knights, and also decided threats the knights, because these are opening by rooks here. So opening by rooks here from this one, and also decided knight to e5. So knight e5, openings by rook to rook. If you rook takes captured, accepted, and rook takes captured. So etc, etc. These are the easy advantage from these whites and blacks here. So back there, this one is knight h5, and also good move rook cg1 without advantage here. So it means excellent by Salcedo III, and also e6. So it means without threats the knights here. So it means another bad move by computer. So the best moves there, this one is knight to f6. So it means knight f6 here. So if you knight takes captured here, and also bishop takes captured knight. So it means, so slightly better from this one, from these blacks here. So it means, so back there is one is e6 by threats the knight. So it means, okay, the little guessing puzzle. So what do you think the without concentrations? So it means perfect, brilliant move by sacrifice by International Master Salcedo III. So guessing puzzles here. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. King f1. Perfect, brilliant move by Salcedo III. So it means sacrifice here. And also, pawn to f5. Captured, another brilliant sacrifice move by Salcedo III. So it means without captured here. So it means without perfect, without brilliant move from this sacrifice here. And also capture this pawn. And also f4 without counters attacks this one by pawns here from this one, and also takes, knight takes. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is bishop captured pawns. So it means bishop captured pawns. If you decided this one, knight takes captured, and also knight takes f4. So easy wins from this advantage here from whites and blacks here from this one. So back there, this one is knight takes captured pawns, and also knight takes, bishop takes, and also king h8 without force move here from this one, and also bishop takes captured without threats the rook. So it means another bad move by Salcedo III. So the best moves there, this one is bishop to g3. So threatening the queens here from this one. And also decided this one is queen to f6. So it means, so easy advantage here from these examples here from this one. So back there, this one is Bishop takes capture, threats the rooks, or maybe without disturbed by rooks here. Without targets the rooks here from this one. And also, rook fd8. So it means without rook fd8 by Chai, without threats the bishop, or without queens by queens. Oh, without queen here from this one. And also, decided this one, queen f4 without defense the bishop, and also without queen to queen. Oh, without queen to queen here from this one. And also, Chai ignoring by queen f6. So it means, in accept, why don't we queen takes queen to queen? How do you think from this one? Bishop captured queen. Simple is that. So it means easy advantage here by whites and blacks here. So it means good examples. So it means, so why Chai ignoring by queen f6? And another good move, pawn to c5. Without develops here from this one. And I forgot something. So it means without queen f6, without threats the bishop. Because these are the rooks here. And decided this one Salcedo the third without another good move is c5. Without good move, without defense, so it means excellent move from this one. And also, queen a1 check. And also, king g2, queen takes captured, bad move. So the best moves there, this one, go back, queen f6 here. So queen f6 here from this one. So back there, this one is queen takes captured, a2 without idea by threats the pawns here, and also counters attacks the bishop. So it means threats the doubles by 2 pieces here from this one. And also decided bishop c4 by Salcedo without develops by pawns, defense here from this one. And also queen b2, and also rook e1, and go back queen f6. So it means a totally move from this one by Chai here from this one. So it means go back queen f6, and also rook e6 without threats the queens. Oh, with the idea by threats the queens here from this one. And also queen g5 check, and Salcedo accept takes, pawn takes, and also rook he1 battery. So it means without battery here from this one. And also bishop f8 without bishop to bishop, and bishop takes captured, rook takes captured, and also rook g6, bad move. So the best moves there, this one is rook h6 check. So rook h6 check here from this one. So easy advantage here. So back there, this one is rook g6 by Salcedo the third, and also rook ce8, bad move by Chai. So the best moves there, this one is rook to fe8. So if you capture this, rook takes captured check, and also rook takes captured, and rook takes pawn. So etc, etc. These are the easy advantage here by whites and blacks, because these are the bishop versus knight here. And also another this one. So if you move by here, rook takes captured pawns, rook takes captured, goodbye rook. Oh, so it means three pieces by Chai, 2 pieces by Salcedo. So it means lose from this white, because wins for blacks. So do not captured by rook takes captured pawns. Be careful from this one. It is eye to eye contacts here. So it means rook ce8 by Chai here without rook to rook, and rook e6 without 6 rank run x move. So the best moves there is rook takes captured, accepted, and also rook takes captured, and rook takes captured pawns without threats the pawn. So it means these are the advantage here from this one. So back there, this one, rook e6 here without 6 rank, and another good move, rook takes captured, and bishop takes captured rook. So it means why don't we accept, why don't we rook takes captured? So it means these are the determinations here from the solutions here from this focusing from this one. So easy advantage here. So it means bishop takes captured rook from this idea by Salcedo III, and also knight d4 without threats the bishop, and also bishop c4, and also rook c8 with idea by threats the pawns. So counters attacks the pawns here, and also rook d6 threats the knights, and also knight b5 without threats the rook. So it means bad move by computer engine by Chai. So the best moves there is knight to c6 here, without, because these are defense the rooks or pawns, because the realize here with idea by determinations here from this one. So it means, so back there this one is knight b5 without threats the rooks here. So threat the rooks here, and also bishop takes captured, good move, takes, and also b4, because these are the weak pawns by ugliness pawn structure here. So it means, and also rook c7, and also rook f6, f4, and also king g3, rook d7 with idea by rook to d3 check or counters by check here from this one, and also rook b6 with idea by threats the pawns. So it means without blocking the pawns here, and also king h7, and also king g4. So in x7, why don't we rook takes free pawns? So how do you think from this one? And also rook d3 check. So if you king to g4, if you king g4 here, and also rook d2. So if your rook takes captured, check, and also king to g6 here. So king g6 here from this one. So it means, so these are advantage here from these good examples here. So it means without good examples. So it means I got stressful here. So back there this one. So it means Salcedo moves by king g4 by Salcedo here, and also rook d2 without threats the pawns, and also the realize the rooks threats the doubles by here, doubles from this one, the pawns here, and also decided rook takes capture check, and also king g6, rook takes capture check, and also king g7, rook takes captured. Without rook takes captured pawns, rook takes captured, king takes captured, and also pawn f3, rook b7 check, king g8, and also king g4, and also rook g4 with idea by rook g1 check. So rook g1 check, and also king g3, and also pawn to f2, and also king g2 threats the rooks, rook h1. Sacrifice. So sacrifice here from this one, and also king takes captured. So it means if your king takes captured, queen. So it means lose from this white, from this one. So it means be careful from this one in this eye to eye contacts. So it means do not capture this. King takes captured rook, promotes by queen. So it means beware of this one. And also king takes captured. So these are the cannot work from this keyboard. So it means king takes captured here, and also rook takes captured pawns, pawn to c6, and also rook c3 without threats the pawns. And the finishing move from this one, the last move, pawn c7 with idea by promotes by without pawn, without promotes by c8 queen. So it means resigns by FIDE Master Chai. So why he resigns? Because if you king f8 here, only move here, and also b5, if you move by king e8, and also b6 here, and if you move by king to d7 here, and also rook to rook to b8 here. Rook to b8. If you king e7 here, and also c8 queen. If your rook takes captured, rook takes, and also king d7 and b7. So it means, so upcoming by promotes by queen, so it means another fatal block, so it means lose from these blocks here. So it means, so congratulations from this one, from this international master in the Philippines, Richeleo Salcedo. Congratulations from this one. So the score from this accuracy by Salcedo III, 89.3, so it means good from this accuracy, and the score by Jai, 82.1, so it means win from this one, International Master Salcedo III. So it means, so we have no internet connection because run out from this, no electricity from this one. So we need to go back from this one, from this electricity we have from these internet connections. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17, and don't forget to subscribe by my YouTube accounts, Mark Luwagi 17 English speaking and Mark Luwagi 17 Part 2 Tagalog and Cebuano, and don't forget to view from this my videos and like from this one in this video. Have a good day and keep updates of the next chess updates. Have a good day. Happy Wednesday. Bye bye.